welcome. Today in front of me Xiaomi Pad 5, and I'll show you that the device comes with the earbuds inside the box by default. So here the first box is with the warranty card and with the quick device guide. And here in this box we got also I'll show you that here we got the charger brick and the USB cable, and unfortunately we have no here any earbuds, so if you wanna use them, so you should buy them separately. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.